c'est 360, it's 360, everything okay?
Yes.
So let's start.
Yeah.
Again.
Please.
So this is the Sakura Branch of Life workshop, and Sakura is cherry tree in Japan. It's really important and symbolic because it represents the impermanency of life and how it can be short and beautiful at the same time, like the flower that blossom.
Allora, simbolicamente molto importante perché rappresenta l'impermanenza della vita e quanto può essere bella e fiorita in alcuni momenti.
So you can enjoy the blossom of the flowers, and in Japan there is an event, a festival every year that celebrates the sakura blossom. It's named Hanami, and it's really important in this culture. So we are going to do our own Hanami, our own branch of Sakura, that will represent our life, or a moment of your life, as you want.
È molto importante in Giappone, ogni anno loro celebrano questo
l'inizio della primavera, della rinascita.
Della rinascita, e quindi adesso noi avremo il nostro albero di ciliegio.
So we can represent, yes, the end of winter, the chilly winter, and new hopes and new beginning with the spring and the coming of the flowers.
Quindi è come se rappresentassi un nuovo inizio, un momento della primavera.
But we are not using any brushes for the first part of this workshop.
Ma non useremo nessun pennello per la prima parte di questo workshop.
Interesting.
And we are going to first work on our strong basis, our branch, only the wooden part, and then after the flowers.
Quindi lavoreremo prima nella costruzione del tronco, nella nostra parte legnosa, la struttura portante, e poi con i fiori.
So it will be done with straws, and we are going to blow some paint.
Quindi lo faremo con le cannucce e soffieremo del colore.
So first we need to focus on our breeze before trying to do something with it.
Quindi dobbiamo innanzitutto concentrarci sul nostro respiro prima di cominciare, perché sennò lo ingeriamo il colore.
So be relaxed, put your shoulders down and try to inhale
Dice di respirare
and exhale. Inhale like with your nose and exhale with your mouth.
quindi respira col naso e espira con la bocca,
It's like you're smelling a flower,
come se odorassi dei fiori
and blow a candle.
e soffiassi una candela.
Now inhale and hold for 3 seconds. 1,
Quando prendi l'aria, tienila per 3 secondi
and hold for 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold and the last time, inhale and exhale. Now you're self-centered, you practice your breathing, you feel it through your whole body, and we can start to use it. I will first show you because it's your first time.
e ci mostrerà perché è la nostra prima volta e non sappiamo come fare.
So to practice, I put simple sheets of paper. I will block the straw with my finger. Put it in the paint, block it. You see you have some paintings here.
Quindi per mantenere la pittura dentro lei puoi mettere il dito sopra,
I put it here
lo mette lì
and try to be gentle with your breath, because if you're too strong, everybody will be
devi
splashed.
essere delicata con il soffio, se no si sparge tutto.
So don't draw with the straw, that's not the point. You can help yourself a little bit. but that's it.
Non devi fare così con la cannuccia, ma soffiare. Wow.
Try to spread all over the pages and not put too many paints because it will last forever to dry and could tear apart the sheets. So you can re-add at some point if you think you need a few. For example, here you don't have enough paint, you can like this. And don't forget to breathe between, or you will collapse. That's not the point. So you can choose to represent your whole life, some part of your life, whatever you mean. Focus on the experience you want and try to blow gently. You have one stroke per person, of course. You can first try on this sheet of paper, and when you feel ready, I can give you a bigger one and a thicker one for the final project.
And the water, no.
Yes, it's just if we need to rinse it or something. So you have one paint, black paint for 2 people.
Okay.
For Eve and Laura.
So this is just to train us.
Yes,
Okay.
to feel the breeze and the painting at the beginning because it's not that easy. You can try to add a little, yes, help, yes, exactly. Try maybe to be more close like this. And I will come and help you to apprehend it. Yes, yes, you're doing it. Great, Aisha. You've got it. And Manu, you've begun to get it too. If you need some help, you can try to do this and then aim with your blow where you want to go. Oh, Manu is too gentle. Yes.
But he goes where he wants.
That's the point. That's the point, because are you doing everything you plan in your life?